This video was created by HobbyKidsTV.
HobbyKidsGaming.
Surprise toys! Welcome to the world's biggest surprise kiss ever.
Weirdos.
We have 2 surprise kisses right here. Let's get out the first prize.
Ooh, Ninja Turtles and a Hulk. Let's start with Kiss Me! Mwah! I blew you a kiss. Let's start with the Ninja Turtle box. So which one are you hoping we get?
I hope we get one of the Ninja Turtles.
Okay, let's see what we get.
The power of the hobby!
Ah.
The power of the hobby! We got a raccoon!
What's his name?
Oh, it's the Ninja Turtles master. His name is
Splinter.
He's a rat.
Your brain's fatter than mine.
Here are some of the characters that you can collect in the Tokidoki Marvel Collection Pack. Hobby Kid, go ahead and open up your Superhero Hulk blind box.
He's red. Spider-Man. We got Spider-Man.
That is awesome! A little keychain.
I think the Hershey's like it.
Aw, she wants to give it kisses.
No, I don't. I'm a boy now. Ah!
Oh, you're a boy kiss.
Hey! Alright, give it up.
Why don't we open up the Hershey's egg, and then at the very end we're going to open up this Hershey's egg. What surprise is inside that Hershey's egg? Open up the kiss.
I'm not a boy, y'all. Come on. There's inside chocolate.
Chocolate kisses. Chocolate kisses.
Come on. Yeah.
Oh, look at all those candies.
Oh.
Obviously, we got lots of Hershey Kisses, but we also got Mr. Goodbar with milk chocolate and peanuts. Reese's Pieces, Hershey's dark chocolate.
Hey, that's mine eating.
Get out the next surprise!
Yeah! Superheroes. My little ponies.
Ooh, a pony and a superhero. Alright, let's do the superhero vinyl figure first. This is the Funko Pop collection. I'm hoping to get Wonder Woman! How about you, Hobby Kid?
I want Pooperman.
He wants Pooperman, aka Superman.
No, it's Pooperman.
And what about you, Hobby Kid?
Batman.
Batman, okay. Get her open.
I'm gonna transport the box.
He's taking the aggressive approach.
The power of the hobby. Hey, it's kind of like Superman. Pooper girl. Oh no, it's not.
Who is that? Who is that?
Supergirl?
Hobby Dad would know. Her name might possibly be Power Girl. Any superhero nerds out there that know? Hobby Kid, get that one opened up for me, please. Add it to my collection. Look at it. He's just ripping into it like a man.
We got her.
Aw, super cute. I have one just like this. So I'm going to donate this one to one of my hobby friends.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, he's healthy.
That's right. Gotta wash down that chocolate with some vitamin C.
I'm gonna get the next surprise. Oh.
Dragons 2 blind box. Alright. Here are some of the super cool characters that you can collect. Personally, I'm hoping for either a mystery one or toothless. Any of the toothless ones are cute. I don't know, they're all cute. I'd be happy with any of them.
I know who the mystery one is.
You want the mystery one? Who do you want?
I want Hiccup. I want the dragon.
Okay, let's open it up, see which one we get.
I hope I get the mystery one. Or what dragon?
I hope we get toothless. I like toothless.
Me too. Heh, it looks like a whip. We got toothless!
Yes!
That's the one I won!
Yeah, you got it, bud.
You got the mystery one!
Oh, his head moves too. Look, his head spins all the way around. I think we got the mystery one, you guys. This is totally the mystery one because this one is different than this, or this character. We got the mystery one. How cool! Looks like he's going on the side of his mouth. Give a thumbs up if you've ever had a Hershey's chocolate kiss. We want to know how many people have actually had this. And if you have not, then type the comments below what your favorite chocolate is. Mmm, delicious.
Before we open up the secret surprise kiss, we're gonna open up the last surprise from his armpit. His armpit? Why do you mean armpits? Yeah.
Yeah, let's see what hero we got in there.
Hey.
Captain! Oh, and he's holding a cheeseburger.
And he's on
a skateboard? What? That is like super bizarre. What is happening here? What is he doing? Is he working at a restaurant? Maybe because he's eating an all-American burger?
Oh, right here it says, I love burgers.
I love burgers. Okay. I love burgers. He's right. That's so funny. Isn't that weird?
Aww.
Can you tell what this is?
A heart.
Good job. We heart kisses. I saw you sneak that.
No, you didn't. We're gonna open up the last kiss. Octonauts.
You got Inkling and who else?
Captain Barnacles.
Aw, so cute.
I thought Quackle was more popular.
He is. So this one can move. See that? The head. And so can Captain Barnacles. His head can move.
Hi, Mom. Look at me.
What? Are you being silly? Do you have foil in your hair?
No.
I think
It's
you
a
do.
kiss.
Oh, you have a kiss on your head!
Watch next show. Don't forget to subscribe.
While you're at it, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already for more of the funnest surprises. Okay, Superman Lego minifig is asking which Superman you like the best. Do you like him, the original? Do you like the Bad Piggy as Super Bad Piggy? Do you like Super Peppa Pig? Do you like the muscular Super Minion? The Super Minion sidekick made of Play-Doh with muscles? The Super House with a super cape in the back?
For me.
Or Super Hobby Kid? Leave your comments below, okay, of who you like the best.
If you look like Super, go do.
You guys are super crazy. Now you're just a super show off.